Hello guys, welcome back. We'll see how to use ngFor in a nested way. We'll use nested for loop. I have an object in the TS file. I've taken school as an object, and here in the object we have name and departments array. Departments internally has name and teachers array. Teachers array has some objects, and the requirement is to print the name and subject. So first we'll have a for loop for departments, and inside this we'll have a for loop for teachers. Then only we'll be able to access these objects, right, and print the values. So I'll show you in the HTML. So we'll take div first, we'll take another div. So for this I'll apply ngFor let department variable of school dot departments. Let me copy and paste. Okay, and then inside this, so using DEP I get access to name and teachers. Okay, so I want teachers now, so I say div star ngFor is equal to let tec of dep dot teachers, make sure it is right. Okay, and then say tec dot name, because I want to display name and subject, right? So name and subject. So what I have done, first I have iterated through departments of school, and then inside department we have teachers. So I have iterated teachers, and I have printed the name and subject. Let me save and show you how it looks. So here it is, I have displayed name and subject. So this is how the nested for loop works. I hope you have understood. Thank you.